My name is Seif and I live in London, and this is my Brompton A-Line with the Swytch Kit. I love my bike because obviously of the size, it's really compact, I can take it anywhere, I can fold it, tuck it under my desk at work, into bars, restaurants, supermarkets, and it's also just a really convenient and easy way to get around without having to pay extortionate transport prices in London. I currently live in Denmark Hill. It's very intense without a Swytch Kit to keep cycling back up every single day. I just think it's super fun and super efficient and very effortless. So my partner and I have a tiny senior chihuahua called Lila, and sometimes obviously when we lead very busy, hectic lives and we need someone to look after her, I know that I can just pop her in the bag and cycle over to my partner's mum and drop her off and then bring her back at the end of the night. So the way that the Swytch Kit works is the sensor picks up the magnet when it turns, which then sends a signal to the battery, which then sends power to the wheel, and it works like this. I would say honestly just do it. It's just super fun, super efficient. You're essentially still cycling, but you're just cycling way quicker and way easier.